This is the ultimate predator-proof chicken tractor, or Coop. It is 4 feet wide, 7 feet tall in the front, 6.5 feet tall in the back, 16 feet long. I currently have 25 nine-week-old chickens in there right now. It's got 1/2-inch mesh wire on the outside lower. On the inside, let's go around. On the floor, we have, I call them cow panels, but they're actually like sheep or goat panels. They're 4 by 4-inch squares made out of some really heavy panels that you can get that are in 16 foot long or 20, even 20 feet long. But this one's 16 foot long. It's on the bottom. That'll help prevent any coyotes from digging up from underneath. And we've had, on our previous coop, we've actually had coyotes tested, and they only dig until they hit that wire, and they can't come up underneath the floor. The frame is made out of 2x6s mostly. I do have some 2x4 around it. And the sides, the panels is made out of 1/2-inch plywood. I do have a full-size door. That door is super heavy. It's meshed. It's plywood on the outside and on the inside with inner core of 2x4s. I have it designed where you can come out here and you can hook it back to the outside without it, so the wind won't blow it back on you. I will put, at a later date, I will put a little door in the back, this automatic door that will open and let them out during the day, close in the evening when they come back in, or something to that effect. Or we'll just open this main door here. But we gotta see how our predators are this year. I know we've been having some coyotes. I've been trying to take care of them, but just not been able to catch the coyotes and take them out. So we got to see how bad they're going to be. So I do plan to let these chickens be free range, but we want to make sure they're not locked up at night. Like I said, these are 9-week-old. They are Prairie Bluebell chickens. They lay blue eggs. We got them from Hoover Hatchery in Iowa. Had them mailed to us. They came and they did a great job. All the chickens survived. In fact, we ordered 15 hens and 5 roosters. They come in groups of 5, so that's why we ended up with 5 roosters. But they sent 5 extra. I don't know if they're hens or roosters yet. Haven't got that count figured out. So I may have more hens than what we planned on, but that's always good. They did very well. I'm very pleased with the company. Like I said, they sent extra. I figured we was going to lose some. Didn't really have any problems. Just that one right here, the little white one. She or he, I'm not sure what it is yet. They were kind of sick for a while and didn't grow as fast as the rest of them. But as you can see, it's doing perfectly fine now. I built this water here. It's made out of a 30-gallon minnow tub, and I put these chicken nipples on here. We've used them before on some other things. They work great. Not really. I always thought there was going to be a problem with them having a learning curve on how to use them, but I think I got one there was drinking just for a second. But within, the day, they had it figured out of how to drink out of it real quick. Once one of them sees one of them drinking out of it, the rest of them go right to it. No issues. I'll put a couple of pictures somewhere in this video that shows them a little bit closer or whatever. Little nipples. And I got it from Amazon. And just a simple feeder. But like I said, here's that mesh. Works out great. It keeps the predators from coming underneath, and the chickens, they have plenty of room to grab any vegetation growing up through it. It also allows the poop to stay on the ground when we move the coop. The only drawback to this coop, I'll get out here and show you how we actually move it, is we move it at night. So when the chickens are on the roost, they don't have a chance to fall through the floor and maybe hurt one of their legs when I set it back down. So we always move it when they're up here roosting. So it's a little more difficult at night. You have to see it. Those are the holes for where the fork go through on the outside. I have it closed off with a board so no coons or anything can climb through the holes. We'll go out here. This is a little release so I can get back out of here, or you'll lock yourself in here. See, we got the little covering here, and I can actually come up here with my fork if I want to, catch it underneath this little lip right here and raise it up with my forks and slide in the holes, and when I get done it kind of slides back down. But it's usually just easier just to move it, put it on top of the coop or something. But actually no, I won't be able to do it. I've had my hands full with the camera, so I'll just take it off here and do a quick show what I mean with the tractor. I'll include a video, but I just drive up there with my forks. Forks pre-set to right width on the tractor. Get up here and take care of it. A little hard to do it with one hand. And I just kind of slightly angle it down until I get in there, like so. That way I'm not scraping on anything. Take it. And I would just lift the chicken coop up. Chickens are freaking out a little bit over there, but since it's daytime, I'm not going to move it. I'll just take it back out. Raise it up a little bit. And that's how we do that. It's 30 minutes after sunset. Hopefully these guys are in the roost. Now, camera's got a light going on it. I'll just leave that on there and see if that helps a little bit. I got a flashlight too. Let's see. Looking here on the ground, see if we see anybody. I don't see anybody on the ground in there. It's still kind of early, so hopefully they don't fly off the roost. I'm just doing this so I have a little more light out. Oh. And we got a full roost up there. Let's take this thing, move it outside so it doesn't fall through the grates as the tractor. I'll move it like right here. Take a look. Go with the tractor, Get her started up. That's good. You can take care of that. Started and moved. Maybe I'll just try and see if my little board will work. Make sure that's down good.